Wow. You're in Tech Deck Dude heaven.
Are these mine?
Yes. All right, guys, we are very excited to present to you
Lennox.
Lennox. What's your name and where are you from and how old are you?
I'm from Oakland. I'm 8 and yeah.
His name is Lennox. We're gonna open this box though and we're gonna see what's inside of that box, then we're gonna go from there. Go ahead and just open the box.
No, you open it.
What do you mean?
You help me.
How's that?
Awesome.
Wow.
Whoa!
There's a lot of stuff inside of here.
Dude, it's like Christmas.
Okay, so these are called Tech Deck Dudes. Go ahead and open that and see what's inside there.
You help me.
Man, I gotta do everything around here. What? That is the smallest skateboard I've ever seen,
my
ever.
goodness.
Ever.
What?
Life is now complete.
Aw.
That is a Tech Deck Dude. What would you call that guy if you had to give him a name? Looks like his name is Lennox.
Yay.
It's funny, before we started filming, he was acting so tough, right? What? Check that out. Betty?
I think you're better off doing this video with me because I'm like bouncing off the walls right now.
Yeah, you are?
Yes.
So I did.
I got the red ninja. Kelly, here.
So they come in these things, and these are collectible, and you can collect them all.
Dude. Mine's clear.
Oh, you got 3.
Yeah. Whoa! I got the prize pack.
You got the prize pack? Yeah, mine just came with 1. So somehow they fit in here, and then these wheels like lock together somehow. So the idea that we had with this, do you know how to tech deck?
I know how to handboard though.
Betty knows how to tech deck.
Handboarding's overrated.
And then we go in here, and these wheels somehow click together. Somehow Fetty knows how to do everything. What in the world?
Betty.
Fetty, wow.
Genius.
Fetty, good job.
Wow.
So here's the plan with this video, okay? Any obstacle that you want, take your Tech Deck Dude and do some tricks, and then Fetty will do them. Go ahead. Let it roll. Oh, first try. Frontside 50-50. What do you think? Are you gonna count that or no? Did he grind as far as you wanted him to?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so what you're gonna do now, you ready?
Yeah.
Go like this. First try! Okay, you ready?
Yeah, you go.
My turn. Nose blunt.
That was one of the best ones you've ever done, dude.
That was good enough, I guess.
Should we give him another one? Like something really hard?
Yeah, go.
Okay.
Oh. What in the world?
Wow. What a guy. Okay, you ready? Watch this. Oh,
Oh,
no.
whoa, whoa,
Oh, no.
whoa, whoa.
Actually, that is what we should make Fetty do. Back nose blunt. But it's back disaster. Kelly.
He did a double flip back disaster, but he can't regular back disaster.
Frontside 5-0.
Rebate.
Okay, Fetty, I got you. Front tail revert. What do you think about that? Is that impressive?
Good. Yeah.
Okay, I don't think I've ever seen you do this one. Now we're getting like really hardcore.
Whoa.
Nose blunt, 180 in.
Okay, 180 in that. I could try 180 this way.
Either way, go ahead. What? No way, that's way harder.
Oh, yeah.
This is what I really want to see. Straight front
that?
flip.
Ew, the banana split.
Wow. You're in Tech Deck Dude heaven. This is Fetty throwing the hammer to the haters.
Look at that.
We got this whole collection going. We got limited edition ones. There's over 70 of these. We got quite the collection going here, man. But we definitely got some epic trick edition, limited edition ones, right?
Yeah.
First try. All right, Fetty, I got your back. Don't worry about it.
Yeah, I got your back too. Wait, hold up. I need to look at this.
Backflip board side 360 in. When it has a blue dot next to him, it's common. The yellow dot, it's rare. The red dot, it's ultra rare. First try!
It took him a million tries though.
No respect. You could like put these all together. Peep that. Wow. Mind blown. So should we do some tricks on this and then Carlos will do the real trick?
Yeah, go.
Okay, you ready?
50-50.
Okay, that's it.
You gotta cop it.
5-0. Okay, you ready?
Dang, bro.
Nose grind. You gotta pop out like a beast though. Yes! We got an ultra rare.
Wait, which one is it?
It's this one.
No big deal. We just got like the best collection going here you've ever seen your entire life.
Wow.
2 ultra rares. Yes, yes, yes. Oh, you need another trick? Okay, this one is a rare. This one's a rare one. Okay, you ready?
Wait,
Technically, he's riding on his belly, but
tails.
front tail.
Dude, you're over here getting organized.
Yeah, dude, I'm killing it. Peep that.
Oh, I just peeped that was the Braille logo. I didn't even see that.
You had no idea what was going on.
Wow.
I thought it was the number 9.
Sick.
This is gonna get hard. Front side 180, 50-50, 180 out.
Wow.
This is Sergeant Big Spin. He's rare as well, right there. Sergeant Big Spin.
Yes.
Backside Big Spin flat with Sergeant Big Spin.
Found another rare one?
Yeah.
Let me see. That one's rare.
Yeah.
This is limited edition?
Yeah.
What is it?
He's upside down.
Oh, wow.
All right, here we go.
What is that?
Front side 180.
Switch flip.
Ooh.
Kick flip.
He'll flip it.
Start that. Heel flip.
He'll flip.
Heel flip! I got one for him. This one's for Lennox. Backside flip.
He's not good at those.
No one's good at
done
those.
one in a while. It's been a while.
He got an S.
First strike! Count it! I got one I've never seen you do. Or maybe I have seen you do it.
Switch K flip.
Front side body barrel. Okay, that's it. Go into the hubba.
Nose grind, nollie flip.
Front tail. Front tail. Big spin. Okay, I got you. I got you. Front tail. It's going all the way. It's going all the way. 270. Okay, you ready?
Front tail, whatever he just said.
Front tail.
Front tail.
Back tail?
Back tail.
Ow.
Wow.
All right, Lennox, well, thank you for coming. You did great. All of these tech decks are yours. Tech deck dudes.
Thank you.
There you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So have fun with those, okay, buddy? Collect them all. The link will be in the description below, so definitely check them out. They're collector's edition. They're really fun, so you guys can get them. Thank you very much. Please subscribe, like, leave a comment below. Definitely check out Skateboarding Made Simple. It's available on all these platforms, iBooks, brailleskateboarding.com, and Google Play. It's the most comprehensive video we've ever made, and it teaches skateboarding better than anything else out there. You won't be disappointed.